Hi, I'm Melissa from Online Fabric Store. During these cold winter months, calves can get really cold, so today we're going to show you how to make them a blanket to keep them nice and toasty. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 2 yards of 420 denier coated nylon pack cloth, 2 yards of batting, 2 yards of ripstop nylon, 4 yards of cotton webbing, Velcro, bias tape, the template, which you can download from our website, scissors, clips or pins, and a sewing machine. Using the template, cut out the nylon pack cloth, ripstop nylon, and 2 layers of batting for extra warmth. To cut out the pieces, fold each material in half, place the template on the fold, and cut, so each half is identical to the other. Nylon pack cloth and ripstop are water resistant to protect the calf from the elements. I am using 2 layers of lightweight batting for warmth, but if you are using a heavier batting, you may only need 1 layer. Layer the materials as follows from bottom to top: nylon pack cloth, both layers of batting, and then the ripstop nylon. Clip them together. Using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew together around the edge of all of the layers. Cut 4 25-inch strips of cotton webbing. Finish off one end of all 4 strips of webbing. See our How to Finish Webbing video for full instructions. Attach 18 inches of Velcro to the back of 2 of the strips and 18 inches of the opposite side of the Velcro to the front of the other 2 pieces. I used 2-inch Velcro that I cut in half so it would be the same width as the webbing. Attach bias tape around the edge of the entire back of the blanket. See our How to Sew Bias Tape video for full instructions. After you have sewn down the back side, and before sewing the bias tape to the front, clip the first 2 strips of webbing 5 inches from the front and back of the left side of the main part of the blanket. Leave 1 inch of webbing inside the bias tape to ensure that it is secure. With the second 2 strips of webbing, pin or clip them on the opposite side, again 5 inches from the front and back of the main part of the blanket. Now, you can finish sewing your bias tape. Fold the webbing over the now sewn bias tape. Sew each piece of webbing with a square, reinforced with an X through the square. Lastly, attach 10 inches of Velcro to the top of the left neck strap by sewing around the edges of the Velcro. Attach 10 inches of the other side of the Velcro to the back side of the right neck strap using the same method. And now, your calf blanket is complete.
And now that you've put your blanket on your calf, you don't have to worry about him getting cold at night anymore. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. Bye-bye.